See, we are now doing chips, stone manufacturing. We are making this kind of stones right now to build buildings. All this is punched, made in our own facility. இப்போ நாங்கள் வந்து இதெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு வீடு ரெடிமேட் வீடு கட்டி கொடுக்குற பிஸ்னஸில் இருக்கோம். We build homes. அப்புறம் வந்து பாருங்க சிப்ஸு, it's a chips, it's a chip. People work like this. We use this kind of chips to make the blocks. We use this kind of cement. Dust. Cements are used. The cement. Basically, the raw material used is the quarry dust and quarry chip and cement. One of the oldest punching machines that we have made at the ARB attachment is fully functional now. It's been more than, let's say, 9 years now, and we have made numerous bricks. The vibrator. It's called stone hatching machine. We do the hatching of stones. We manufacture all these bricks and make this kind of buildings. You see, the building is on. Construction, we make the brick here. The raw material comes in, made into bricks with the machines that we make at the ARB attachment, and so everything is made at our own plant. The bricks are made. Bricks are pushed manually. The vehicle is moved manually, but we use wheels, electric wheels. The humans don't pull them. All manual labor, struggle, hardship. So the buildings are constructed in hard ways. So these are the stones have been hatched. The entire machinery is made by ARG attachment. We faced a lot of hardship making bricks, making the building stand, and doing the commercial spaces for the town which is in Chidambaram. See, we make commercial buildings, restaurants. See, in turn, that puts a lot of people into work, and all this is without polluting the environment. We don't use any red bricks because it is burned, it is using fire. So all this is done without any non-polluting the environment. We make the buildings like that, huge buildings, without polluting the environment, green. It's all called green buildings. So the bricks are made. It's a completely semi-automatic machine. This machine has been running for 10 odd years. We have been making this machine for a long time, and we have been testing in our own plant how it has been working and everything, and fine-tuning it and doing the proper work so that everything is functional. So this machine is very functional, and 10-year-old machine. This is still in working condition. We use them. This is our pen to make this kind of big buildings. So the building that stands there is using the same brick that we have made. And you see, this is the plant. We use the mixer, the puncher, the stones, and so many people work on the project. So many local empowerment to the community in India. and once we build it, so many people get into the building and work, and indirectly we create employment to society, not on the city. You see, to bring in this kind of a structure, a lot of people will come into the city, but we don't do in city. We do little suburbs so that people get employments, and we create space. You see, we create space so people can live and work, office, you know, all this kind of stuff. And we are real builder. We design bricks, we design bricks, we use tractor to transport them. We have our own tractor to transport them, and that becomes a building. So it's completely green, and people work. A lot of people are put to work in creating this kind of buildings. And we have a civil department that does all the grill works for the factory, for the construction that we do. So we have entire setup to create grills. The grill work is done here. The welders do the work, and then these people are doing bricks. Sorry, rods to put up the floor. So if you do, we engage indirectly so many people into the business of creating a town or city. So, and directly, indirectly, we create a lot of empowerment to the town of this site. You see, such a big row of space is created in the middle of the town, so that people get empowered, people get employment and work. This is a new setup of building that is being created, and so many people work. So many people get their job in India. So if you have a big space, if you really want to promote something of big nature, contact ARB attachment. We have the entire set of people to do the stones, do the metal work, do the construction, and do the what I mean to say, the grills, the metal works. We have the vehicles, everything, the augers, so that the building can happen. Actually, in India, there are a lot of very less people who has everything that is required. Being an engineering company, we can do civils as well as engineering products. So here we do manufacturing of the metal parts for the building, for the agriculture. This is the tour of ARB attachment. The ARB attachment does two things. That is, one is construction, another one is building machineries, sugarcane harvesters, and selling them. And this is the pillar. This is the sugarcane harvester that is being made. It's the pillar parts. So directly, indirectly, we employ almost like close to 100 people just on this site. This is all the muds that have been bought in. The reason we are showing you this, If you have a large site, construction site that you want to put up, contact us. We can do the building work, designing, and implementation work. So basically, we have the technology, and if you have a space, if you have the budget for it, contact us. We'll be more than happy to get you going. Thank you so much, and bye now.